One of them.
Oh, I remember this song. The song's really dramatic. It's like,
It is.
you are, yeah. My fire, the one desire, believe when I say I want it my way.
It's not a fucking Burger King commercial, yo.
No, is that Burger King? Your way? No,
You want it your way. That's fucking Burger
That's Burger
King.
King?
Man.
It's like Subway.
Subway's
You want it Subway. Subway. Tell me why I just can't get a sandwich. Tell me why I just want some salami. Tell me why I never want American cheese. Give me Swiss, please. And I am so hungry. I'm singing about Subway. It's really weird. And I want it now. 'Cause I want my Subway. Tell me why. Alright, I'm done.
That was fantastic. Somebody used the highest. Where the fuck did that come from?
I don't know.
Where did that come from?
I'm really worried. Subway. Now I can see that my sandwich is bad, and it makes me so sad. Yeah. If I just had Subway, I know it'd be good.
Oh my Christ, I love you.
Am I like really stoned? Why am I like singing about Subway? I feel crazy.
You're really hungry.
But I just ate. You are. Hold on, this is gonna make it really good.
Oh, I thought you were gonna be like, I
want my Subway. But I wanna hear you say Subway man to me. I want my Subway. Tell me why. I just want my sandwich tonight. Tell me why. This is crazy. This can never go anywhere.
I'm peeing right now.
Ain't nothing but a burger. Fuck you, burger. I want my Subway. I want my Subway. 'Cause I want my Subway.
Okay, you stop this video right now, because that is epic.